How to sign in Outlook account in iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone. We are just adding Outlook to the iPhone mail app directly. So once inside the settings app, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see apps option available, and tap on the apps. Inside apps, again you will have to scroll down and look for the mail and tap on the mail. If you do not find one, then you can also tap on the search address bar at the top and search for the mail. Now, once inside mail, tap on the mail accounts option available there. Inside mail accounts, tap on the add account and tap on the outlook.com from the list. Now enter your Outlook email address, enter your password and choose what you want to sync and tap save. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.